with the rotary table to control all of this. Review of this. This is the 2.
And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat, he's fun, and he makes cool stuff.
Hi. Let's talk about computer hacking. Let's talk about people taking over your computer from outside, planting crap in it so it can help you help them take over your computer, steal your data, lock it up. My wife got a really nasty ransom attack on her tablet. They said, send them $900 in Bitcoin to this Bitcoin address. They said, we'll show everyone what you do, how you pleasure yourself, blah, blah, blah. I said, what? They wanted to accuse her of going to porn sites. I explained to her that all those games she plays online, those online game sites, are mostly owned by porno sites to get legal money so they can pay for what they really want to do. And plus they're also using them as platforms to rip you off. 3 items. The sidebar ads at those games she paid for never arrived. One was an electric scooter. They said it was delivered across the street. I won't say the address, but it would have been directly across the street from here. Vacant lot. No address. It's a vacant freaking lot. A couple of security cameras. You have the doorbell ring type. And 3 tablets. All 3 of those orders delivered elsewhere. Vacant lots. So, trying to blackmail her with... No. So she told them she was going to turn their contact information over to the FBI, and they locked up her tablet. That's okay. The FBI knows how to open them up and get at the data. It's not an Apple. Nobody's going to protect the security of the other guy's data on that because it ain't an Apple. Yeah. So, you the guy who hacked my wife's tablet and gave her the threatening messages? They're coming Monday to pick it up. So, get you a big jar of Vaseline for when you report to whatever prison they have in that country where you're at.